Hello everyone. We are from Group 4 and we are going talking about Chapter 4, What Am I? An Unknown Buddhist on the Self, King Milanda Carriot. Our group consists of me, Chelsea Restia Yunus, Regita Dia Aulia Kusuma, and Sonia. Okay, here we are going talking about the origin of Indian philosophy. First, there is Milinda Panha. The Milinda Panha is question of the King Milinda is a Buddhist text which dates from sometime between 100 BC and 200 AD. It purport to record a dialogue between a Buddhist Nagasena and the King Milanda. And the next there is Nagasena. Nagasena was a Buddhist monk who lived around 150 BC, and he is answered to question about Buddhism to King Milanda. Uh, Point 1 is about the question about the self. Okay, here before the human beings, the king Milanda to Nagasena has a discussion about what is the self, and Milanda questioning in this passage of structure by the Buddhist doctrine of the five aggregates, according to which what we call a human being is a complex of five elements. 1. Material form. 2. Feelings. 3. Perception. 4. Mental formation. 5. Consciousness. And the king questions, is Nagasena something different from the five aggregates? And then Nagasena answer, no, there was not a person Nagasena. Nagasena is the part of the element itself, and human is not a feeling, but the one who has the feeling. And human is not about the perception, but the one who has the perception. Next. Next is about the Hindu form, the background to Buddhism. First, the idea of cycling rebirth to further life of suffering, and second, the hope of escape from the cycle in the state of liberation. This is in the Buddhist calls it nirvana and the Hindu calls it moksha. And the next will delivered by Sonia.
And the next is Plato compared the self to a chariot. This thing is the same as Indian tradition. Nagasena's question, are part of a chariot? Most of us would say yes, as long as they are not parts lying around, but they are in the proper arrangement. But the King's Milanda's answer is no. The king said that the chariot is mere designation. The Nagasena axis is a mere designation too, because the five aggregates are present, and there are the king quotes the non Vajira, just as when the parts of rightly said the word chariot is spoken. So when there are aggregates, it is a confession to say of being. A chariot, the parts are independent in a way that the whole is not. The axle can exist without the chariot existing, but not the chariot without the axle. As German philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, 1646 until 1716, said wolves have only a borrowed from reality of their parts. What counts as a whole is not given by nature, but depends to the some expert on us and our purposes. The next is who believes that the word God stands for something real might be expected to feel and perhaps also behave differently from those who think it is just a socially construction way of speaking. Next will be explained by Regita.
Buddhist view about the purpose of philosophy is to alleviate suffering, and the major cause of suffering is overestimation of the importance of the self, its needs, and its goals. Any belief which downgrades the status of the self in our eyes is helpful. We should not overestimate ourselves, we should stay humble. A Tibetan text means believing the ego to be permanent and separate. One become addicted to it, and this bring defilements. And then for the next slide is about the defilements breed bad karma. The bad karma breeds miseries. In other words, if we believe in ourselves too much, we can cause ourselves experience suffering. In Nagasena's A, the authority for what he was saying would ultimately be the word of the Buddha. He tried to convey the doctrine of Buddha in lively and memorable terms. Next, Buddhists and Hindus believe in rebirth, but if there is no self beyond the five aggregates, what is there to be reborn? What is it that migrates from one body to the next? The question leads to a lot more Buddhist metaphysics. Okay, maybe that's all from our groups. And last, I say thank you for listening.